Hey guys! I'm Arthur and welcome to the Unboxing Tito. So now we're back with our third and final part ng comparison video with Realme X7 Pro and the Redmi K30 Ultra. So before we proceed, let's do a quick recap. For the price, mas cheaper ng 3,000 pesos si Redmi K30 Ultra kaysa kay Realme X7 Pro. For the design and build, we also chose the Redmi K30 Ultra for its uninterrupted screen and premium na materials na ginamit. Pero pagdating sa display, dyan naman bumawi si X7 Pro having the much brighter screen and clearer images. For our speaker test and our YouTube playback, si Realme X7 Pro pa rin ang nanalo with the louder audio and overall sound quality. Both phones have Dimensity 1000+, so pagdating doon sa software na lang tayo nagkatalo. And Redmi K30 Ultra came out with the win with the more dynamic and user-friendly interface. But for the benchmarks and charging test, dyan naman bumawi si Realme X7 Pro. Dinulog niya si K30 Ultra having almost 70,000 points na lamang sa Antutu benchmark score. Plus, mas mabilis ding napuno yung battery niya ng almost 30 minutes. But with our gaming test, the K30 Ultra edges out the win with better thermal management and game optimization. So after all the tests we've done, we have a tie with both phones having 4 points each. Painit na ng painit yung laban. So for our tiebreaker, let's put both phones sa ating in-depth camera test to determine the final winner. So next, we're going to talk about the cameras. But in this category, we will branch out into two subcategories. First is yung mga still shots and the other is yung video capability. Unahin natin yung mga still shots nila. So I've taken multiple shots in different settings and scenarios para makita nyo completely yung full capability ng dalawang camera. So now, let's look at some camera samples.
So here are the pictures taken outside, and as you could see, mas define yung details ng mga mas malalayong objects like the building and clouds kay K30 Ultra. Pero yung color ng grass kay X7 Pro is mas lively, unlike kay K30 na parang dull. With photos taken up close, mas brighter yung mga images produced with K30 Ultra. But kay X7 Pro, mas maganda naman yung overall contrast.
After seeing camera samples outdoors during daytime, pakita ko naman yung camera samples indoors.
With photos taken indoors on a well-lit environment, yung mga images ni X7 Pro seems sharper. Sa Christmas tree shot, parang washed out yung details ni K30 Ultra. With up-close shots, color variants are clearly seen with images from X7 Pro. But food looks more appetizing sa shots ni K30 Ultra.
So ano, may napili na ba kayo? Kung wala pa, here are some night shots.
With our first set of night shot pictures, images are well eliminated with K30 Ultra. Unlike kay X7 na medyo nahirapan mag-adjust lalo na sa mas malalayong objects. Sa second set of our night shots, where the subject is closer, yung details ng kay X7 Pro is on another level. Mas defined and yung overall noise is very minimal, unlike kay K30 na a bit blurry lalo na dun sa image ng tree.
After seeing the night shots, here are some selfie samples para makita yung performance ng ating front camera.
On the first selfie shot where we are facing the sun, almost equal yung image quality produced. But on the second image taken against the light, very impressive yung adjustment ni X7 Pro. Kitang-kita pa din lahat ng details. With our night shot selfie outside, colors are more accurate and vibrant kay X7 Pro. Pati yung details ng tree at the background, kita mo pa din. But with our selfie shot indoors, mas maganda yung contrast ng color and definition kay K30 Ultra.
So after seeing all the samples, nakita natin na si Redmi K30 Ultra produces brighter images. Pero pagdating sa color accuracy, mas maganda yung kay Realme X7 Pro. Mas true to life yung mga colors produced. Images are sharper and mas kita yung details. So for the still photos category, we will declare the Realme X7 Pro as the winner. Now for our video recording category, here are some sample videos.
Hi, so we're currently outside and we're going to do the video recording comparison for the Redmi K30 Ultra and the Realme X7 Pro. Yung Realme X7 is shooting at 4K at 60 FPS while the Redmi is shooting at 4K at 30 FPS. So for me, parang mas closer dun sa actual na colors yung sa Realme X7 Pro. Sa mga stutters, wala naman akong nakikita na nag-stuttered sa both phones. So okay naman. mamaya let's try to walk a bit para makita natin yung stabilization ng both phones. Yan, sa Redmi K30 Ultra may slight na mga stutters, so let's try to walk. Sa stabilization, clearly mas lamang si Redmi K30 Ultra. Siguro nakikita niyo naman sa video. Pero sa pagpan, medyo nag-stutter talaga siya. Kaya I'm hoping na you could see. Pero yung stabilization niya is sobrang okay compared kay X7 Pro. Let's try to walk a bit pa. Pero pagka pan, medyo nahihirapan siya sa pag-focus. Yun yung nakikita ko. Hi, so now itry natin yung selfie camera. We're going to record at 1080p at 30 fps. Yung detail nung sa clouds mas visible sa K30 Ultra. Dun sa Realme X7 Pro parang nagkukulang sa detail. Let's try to walk. Dito pareho lang, parang pareho lang sila sa stabilization sa front camera. I hope you're seeing this. Yung detail dun sa X7 Pro parang mas less siya, saka mas softer yung mga images compared sa selfie camera ni K30. I hope nakikita nyo yung difference ng dalawa sa mga video samples natin para matulungan kayo mag-decide which one is better for you. Okay, so tumayo muna tayo dito. I-compare natin mabuti yung dalawang camera. So for me, clearly mas okay yung video na nakikita ko sa Redmi K30 Ultra compared sa X7 Pro. So here is a quick sample video ng night capabilities ng dalawang phones. So try natin mag-pan para makita kung paano sila nag-a-adjust sa pag-change ng mga lighting condition. So medyo grainy yung sa K30 Ultra, pero mas illuminated siya. Kung makikita mo yung building sa likod, mas kita yung building pero mas medyo blurry konti. Itong si Realme X7 Pro, parang mas maganda yung definition ng objects pero mas less illuminated. So try lang maglakad konti. So as usual, mas maganda yung stabilization ni K30, pero yung quality kay X7 Pro tayo. So itry lang natin quickly yung zoom capability ng phones while on video. Okay, so that's for the Realme X7 Pro. Itry natin dito sa yan, both are on 2 times na zoom. I-try po natin mas mag-zoom. So this is the 5 times na video on X7 Pro. I-try natin sa K30. Okay, so ito yung 5 times na zoom nung dalawa. Medyo shaky sobra dito sa X7 Pro. Wala kasi siyang OIS, EIS lang. Pero yung video quality for me is mas maganda pa rin yung sa X7 Pro. Sad lang kasi wala nga siyang stabilization. Kung makikita mo yung K30, sobrang stabilized niya. Kahit mag-pan, may micro stutters pero hindi naman malala yung pag-shake niya.
after seeing our video sample, nakita natin na pagdating sa stabilization, iba talaga yung video performance ng mga phones na may OIS gaya ni K30 Ultra. Mas stable and less shaky compare sa mga phones na naka-EIS lang gaya ni X7 Pro. But it all boils down sa video quality. For me, mas brighter yung videos taken using X7 Pro. Mas kita rin yung detail, and nung sinum ko siya, hindi siya pixelated unlike the K30 Ultra. So for our video performance, we will declare the X7 Pro as the winner. So now for our final verdict. After considering all those factors, we can definitely say that the K30 Ultra is a very capable phone. Para sa price niya, sobrang panalo ko na sa mga features included. But the X7 Pro almost always manages to make the experience a bit better. So for this comparison video, we will declare the X7 Pro as the ultimate winner. Agree ba kayo sa final verdict natin? Let me know in the comments down below. So that's the end of our video, and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito, and I will see you next time.